This is a product that's gonna blow you away. Ooh, yeah. So this is the Solareye X13 Super Power Turbo Fan. And this is a super powerful turbo fan with 1600 milliamp hour battery. It's got 180,000 RPM and it gives you up to 100 minutes of use. Kind of heavy duty. It's not too heavy, but it's got a good grip to it. And you can charge this with USB-C on the bottom, and it does come with a cable. There's also a spot for a wrist strap, and also does come with a wrist strap and a bunch of different accessories, including 2 different kinds of nozzles that you could put on top if you want a more focused like section of blowing or a little bit wider. This is going to be great for cleaning your laptops, cleaning your desk if you have some dirt on it, cleaning off. I mean, you can even blow your leaves with this, really. It does work that way. And because it is really powerful, very, very powerful. If you hit the power button, you also have different modes. So if you want to go a little bit lower, it goes about that low. You can go up to 2 here. And then your top one is 3. It has a little bit of a kickback to it, too. That's the impressive part. I love like the tactical look it has on it. It's got like that cool looking design. And also you can see the motors, the brushless motors back here. Yeah, and also there's a little blue light inside there. Yeah, that's really cool. So high quality. This is probably one of the most powerful ones that I've seen that's handheld and also cordless. So if you're looking for something like this, I highly recommend it. And thanks for watching.